in today's video, we're going to talk about conversion. That is conversion. Conversion is just simple. Convert from a particular quantity to another quantity. So for maybe to a higher or a lower quantity. In this video, we're going to talk about the conversion from your kilogram to gram. Okay. So I will know that our kilogram or kg short is, okay, let's say is equals to 1000 gram. And you know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So with this ideology, we can just create a simple conversion system. So how do we draw my system? Okay, how do you do that? So in this case, we know that anytime we want to, we can attempt to tell the user to, let's say the user want to convert kg to gram or gram to kg. Let's say if the user want to convert it to a gram. So first what we're going to do is to collect the input from the user, and we know that kg or gram, they are all numbers, and which they are all numerics, which can be float or integer. So we make use of float conversion. The input from the user. If I find this thing strange, I talked about it in one of my previous videos, so just make sure to check it so you won't be left behind. So enter, let's say quantity to convert. Okay, quantity to convert. Let's say the user entered 1000 kg. So I'll prompt the user to choose which one does he want to convert it to. Let's say the user entered kg. Let's say the user entered 1 kg. So let me put 1 kg right here. The user entered 1 kg and I want to convert it to a gram. So we're going to create another the same quantity, another variable called quantity. It's still going to be the user input. Okay, enter quantity to convert. Which quantity convert? So let's say convert to what quantity? And let me let the user know what to enter, kg or gram. So now the user know what to enter, is either kg or to gram. So this is where our script begins. So if user enter, like with this ideology that we have here, let me comment it. With this ideology, you know that if the person enters 1000 here, we need to convert it to gram. And if it enters 1 kg, I want us to turn it to gram. So I'm going to make use of our if statement. First, we're going to do if what the quantity if qt, which is what the user enters, is equals to, let's do for that of kg. Let's say if the quantity is equals to kg, let's make sure that one thing that the user, because user can decide to put kg, it can be a problem, which on our case we want to handle upper letters. And I've talked about this in my previous video. So what you have to do is just to put dot upper to convert anything that the user entered there, convert it to upper so it can match with this guy. So in case the user decides to put kg, it will be turned to kg. Okay, that's what this upper does. So if the quantity that user want to convert to is kg, so what do? We are going to take what the user entered and we are going to divide it by 1000. Okay, what does it mean? So let's say the user entered 1000 here. You get, this is our 1000 user entered. I want to convert it to kg. know that 1000 is equals to 1 kg. 1 kg. And to get this 1 kg, it has to be 1000 divided by 1000. 1000 divided by 1000 will give us 1 kg. So that's why we implemented this ideology. So I can say print. Let's make a little bit interesting test. I can say output in kg. Let me make it a little bit. So a user entered 1000 as the because it's going to be a gram that user entered it, and we want it to be converted to kg. So we also have to divide it by 1000, and we'll get our answer. Okay, let me clean this again. Let me comment it out. Okay, let's go to the next one. Come on. Okay, let's say the quantity is equals to gram. Also, one user to enter kg or gram. So if it's gram, what do we want to do? Let's say the user entered 1 kg here. So the user entered 1 kg here, and we know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So what do we do? Let's say entered 1 here. So to get this 1 kg, let me make this guy small letter. So get this 1000. You all know that it's 1 times 1000. So what we are going to do here is going to be times 1000. Hope it's not hard to. Let me run it and then make a record. Okay, it prompts me into enter quantity to convert, and to convert 1000. This is 1000 grams. So I want to convert to what quantity? I want to convert it to kg. You can see I use small letter here. That this upper helps us to convert it to upper. As you can see, output in kg. Let me make this guy gram. You can see our output in kg. You can see we've got 1 here, which is 1.0. Let's say, let me run it again and do. Okay, enter the quantity. Let's say I want to 1002. Okay, which quantity do I want to convert it? Kg. You can see I got 1000 is equals to 1.2 kg, which is 1000 gram is equals to 1.2 kg. So let's do the one of gram to kg to gram. So what quantity? Let's say I want to 12 kg. What quantity do you want to convert it to? Gram. You can see output in gram, which is 12,000 gram. So I think this was basic enough to understand. Just in your simple mathematics, your basic mathematics, that's what we just applied here to get this script going and running. Let's say in a situation whereby the user didn't put any specific, ended up putting maybe meters, which would not have any this in handling it here. What we can do at this is to change this guy to else if. With this guy, we can change to handle any other exception. Can see. Can say enter the proper quantity is kg or gram. You get this else if help us to make sure that this else condition this if condition ends here. If I was to put another if condition and put else here, this if condition, this else condition will only be equivalent to, will be only be working for this guy. In the situation whereby this guy is true, this guy is true, so these two output is going to be printed together. I would not want that. Want in a scenario whereby if anyone is true, I'm going to get an output. The quantity dot upper, whether if it's kg, okay, we'll do the basic mathematics. User divided by, what is that divided by 1000 to convert to kg. Y for that of gram is times 1000. So let's say in a situation whereby we decided to add and at least I added 1, 2, 3, and I decided to add meters. You can see it prompts me to enter the proper quantity in gram or in kg. I think this will be, let me put it on top. Let's say gram to kg and vice versa. Hope I got that correctly. So that's what we were able to handle in this video. This is just a basic things we can do with Python. As a beginner, you should be able to understand how this works. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.